It won't be wrong to say that the Asus ROG phone was one of the best gaming phones that launched last year. The phone had a unique design, a 90Hz AMOLED display, an overclocked Snapdragon 845 chip, stereo front-facing speakers, various accessories and more. Now the company is all set to launch the second generation of ROG phone, that is the Asus ROG Phone 2. If you don't know, the ROG or Republic of Gamers is a brand that Asus is using since 2006, and it includes wide range of computer hardware, PCs, accessories and more that are mainly oriented towards PC gaming. At the Computex last year, Asus launched the ROG phone mainly to compete with the likes of Razer phone, Red Magic, Black Shark, etc. The ROG Phone 2 is launching on July 23rd in China, and it is going to be the first phone powered by the Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC. The Snapdragon 855 Plus is an upgrade to the Snapdragon 855 and features a slightly higher clock speed of 2.96 GHz, resulting in a 4.2% boost in the CPU performance when compared to that of Snapdragon 855. The GPU of the Snapdragon 855 Plus delivers a 15% boost in the graphics performance than Snapdragon 855. So yes, the performance will be better than the Snapdragon 855, and we will see this SoC powering a lot of upcoming phones like the Xiaomi Black Shark 2 Pro, the upcoming Red Magic gaming phone, etc. The Asus ROG Phone 2 has already been spotted on a lot of benchmarking platforms and other sites, so now we know almost everything about it, from the design to the specifications. Speaking of the design, there is not a big difference when we compare the design to the first generation ROG phone. The only difference that you are going to notice is the lack of fingerprint scanner on the back, so it is most likely there under the display. The rest of the design is the same as last year. Coming to the specifications, the phone has a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. This means it is the world's first phone with the 120Hz AMOLED panel. The processor powering the Asus ROG Phone 2 is the Snapdragon 855 Plus, and there is 8 or 12GB RAM along with 128GB, 256GB or 1TB internal storage. There is a primary 48MP rear camera and a 25MP front-facing camera. The secondary camera on the rear is most likely a wide-angle lens like last year's ROG phone. The battery underneath is a massive 5800 mAh unit, which is insane. For reference, the last year's ROG phone had a 4000 mAh battery. Now such a big battery means the phone is thick and heavy, and indeed it is. The Asus ROG Phone 2 is 9.78mm thick and weighs around 240 grams. There is 30-watt fast charging as well. So that's all about the design and specifications of the upcoming ROG Phone 2. The price is rumored to start at 4399 yuan or $640. What do you think of the specifications of the Asus ROG Phone 2? Do let me know by the comment section below. As always, I will catch you in the next one.